Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Steam Workshop mods and avoid that annoying free space left error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can configure various options for your client. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles all your download activities. Now scroll down through the download settings until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because clearing your download cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts or taking up unnecessary space, which can prevent the free space error from occurring. After clicking Clear Cache, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. This action will clear out any corrupted or outdated cache files that could interfere with your Workshop mod downloads. Next, in the left panel of your settings window, click on Storage. This is where you'll manage your Steam storage locations and add additional drives if needed. At the top of the storage section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive. This feature allows you to designate additional storage locations for your Steam content, which is especially helpful when your primary drive is running low on space. After selecting Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and choose another drive from the available options. Once you've selected your preferred drive, click Add. Steam will now recognize this new location as a valid storage option for your games and workshop content. Now to make this your default download location, click the drop-down menu again and select the storage drive you just added. You'll see 3 dotted lines next to it. Click on those 3 dots and from the menu that appears, select Make Default. This ensures that all future downloads, including workshop mods, will automatically go to this drive, preventing space issues on your primary drive. With your storage configured, it's time to access the workshop. In the top menu of your Steam client, click on Library. This will display all your installed and available games. In the left panel, click on any game you want to download Steam Workshop mods for. Each game that supports Workshop will have its own collection of community-created content. Once you've selected your game, click on Workshop. This will take you directly to the Steam Workshop page for that specific game where you can browse thousands of user-created mods, maps, and other content. In the left panel of the Workshop page, you'll see a variety of filters. These filters help you narrow down the type of content you're looking for. Click on your preferred variety based on what kind of mod you want, whether it's gameplay modifications, visual enhancements, or new maps. Browse through the results and click on your preferred workshop mod from the list. This will open up the mod's detail page where you can read descriptions, view screenshots, and check user ratings. Finally, click subscribe. The mod will automatically begin downloading to your newly configured storage location. Because you've cleared your cache and set up additional storage, you should no longer encounter the free space left error. The mod will install seamlessly and be ready to use in your game. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Steam to download workshop mods without running into storage issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.